In this video, I'll show you how to change the URL handle of a page in Shopify store. And as an example, let's take a look at the contact page on my site. If you notice, the URL handle is Customer Support 1, which is much different than the page title. So we need to update the handle. So to make this change, first we'll log into Shopify admin account, then click on the online store, and then select Pages. Now locate the page in question. In my case, it's this one, Contact Us. Let's open it, and then locate the search engine listing section. Then select Edit. Now scroll a bit down till you find the URL handle section. Let's update the handle from Customer Support 1 to Contact-Us. Also make sure the last option is enabled. Create a URL redirect from old handle to new handle, and then make sure to save the changes. Now allow a few minutes for the changes to update. Then go back to the website. Let's try refreshing the page. And as you can notice, here's the updated page handle. It's now Contact-Us. It fully matches the page title. So as usual, I hope you found this short video useful, and for more Shopify tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.